We had a pretty large rain event yesterday, or last night. The creek is almost out of its banks on some areas and is out of its banks on other areas. So it's one of those days where having to get up is not...
Oh gosh.
Look.
So muddy in here.
Today is not the best day to have to milk.
So muddy in there. You can tell she was hanging out in there. Well, she pooped right where I need to milk at. Gross. She obviously hung out in there most of the night because it's real muddy. It'll be fun to milk in, but we'll make do. Good morning, girls. So much mud and water everywhere. The creek is flowing really strongly. It's crazy. We're going now to check on the little piggies. They're down here in the back. Make sure that they made it through and that their little paddock's not overrun with water. I have a feeling it might be close. What do you think, Matt?
There's not water in it.
Oh my goodness, I almost slipped. There's so much mud. We can't drive the side-by-side down here. Like, this is where we normally cross. We go through here and across, or there. It's just so much water. This is insane. Hey girl, been keeping your goats safe. So it's almost completely overflowed here.
At some point, water got off the bank.
Real close, yeah. It did come up that high. This is the worst I've ever seen it. Matt's probably seen it worse than this before. Turn off the electric fence. And what are we going, wading in the water here?
You'll have to fall somehow.
Oh my goodness. That's so deep. I don't think I can do that.
You got to come out a little bit.
You're talking about boots.
Not if you come down a little bit.
Come down this way?
No, you got to come down into the water a little bit. It's a ditch. Come down. There you go. Now jump.
I can't. What did I do? No!
I told you
I can't
to jump.
jump. I was in the water. Oh, my boot is soaked. I feel like I got half the creek in my boot. This is crazy. It looked nothing like this yesterday. Thankfully, the pigs are that way. So they should still be all right. Looks okay? We've got just a little bit of standing water in there.
Handle another day of rain.
Not bad. But yeah, if it rained anymore like it did last night, would not be a good situation. I think we're done raining though. Oh yeah, they're all in there eating. Look at them. Oh, they're so cute.
Is that one stuck?
I don't think so. Oh my goodness. Please don't let it be stuck. Are they stuck in there?
No, they're just eating.
Oh. They're just chowing down. They're so cute. I don't think it's moving. It's dug down in there now. I got him a nice mud pit under there. I guess they're okay with that.
I'm not.
Pigs like mud. They're gonna be gross and smelly. Have to get them moved soon. All right, so we're gonna try to give, I'm gonna give Matt one of these boards and see if he can lean it up against the current structure. Here, you hold that. Try to do like a lean-to situation over here. Give them something a little bit drier to hang out in. I don't know that's gonna help a ton, but give a little bit of space. No, I'll at least give them a little bit of a drier area so we can get down here and fix it.
Hey guys, wrapping up some videos, uploading some videos, and realized we never did a wrap-up video for the big rain event we had where we did chores in the rain. So just want to wrap that thing up. One of the wetter days that I can experience. It was great seeing Caitlin step in the creek and get water in the boots. But great morning. Not all mornings on the farm are perfect, but any morning on the farm is better than a morning off the farm. So you guys, please like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll catch you next time.